Welcome back to my latest video. Please introduce, my name is Marva. What's up friends? I hope you are always healthy. I'm very happy to meet with friends. For my friends who have just joined this channel, please press the subscribe button so that you get notifications from our channel about the latest videos. Likewise, for viewers who have been around for a long time but haven't pressed the subscribe button, subscribe immediately, friends. Do you know this animal? Yes, it is a rabbit. Have you seen it in person? Do you know what rabbits eat? Yes, rabbits love vegetables like carrots and spinach. This time we will paint a rabbit house. Make the rabbit house more beautiful to look at. Are you ready to see the results? Once again, I remind you to immediately press the subscribe button both for those who have just joined this channel and for friends who have been hanging out for a long time but have not pressed the subscribe button. Do it immediately. Let's do it right away to paint this bunny house. Now friends, look at the results of today's painting. Isn't it beautiful? Do you like the result? Practice painting every day to get better at it. Have you at home also tried to learn to paint like me? Try it friends from now on. Don't forget friends, always keep watching our videos and make it a habit to watch the video until the end, so that you are proficient in coloring and painting. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you like it. See you in the next videos. I love you all. See you soon friends, bye bye.